Today, I'm going to create my own nut. So before starting anything, we have to make sure that we gather some references. I just try to find some images of nun. Most of them are kind of the poster ones. The shot is very simple. The camera will be zoomed into the nun face. So yeah, now we have to make the model, because without model we couldn't able to do anything. I tried to find so many models on the internet with the free website Sketchfab, and there are so many other websites also. Then I realized that there was not good enough models that I can use. So I just start with a sphere. I try to sculpt everything slowly and gradually. I'm trying to get the rough shape and the rough layout of the stuff so that I can add more detail at the end, because if I try to add details right now, then I couldn't able to change anything at the middle of the process. I have to make sure that the foundation is good enough, and then I will add more detail. I try to add some caps because she has some sort of cap. I don't know what's the actual name of this thing, but it kind of look like a cap. And now we have to make the body cloth, because she is wearing some sort of kind of curtain. It's not a curtain. I don't know the actual name of this thing, but yeah, we have to make this. The body cloth was also done. After that, when everything is done, we have to do the texturing, the most important part of the process, because if the texturing is not looking good, everything will go kind of weird and it will not gonna look realistic. My goal is to make this thing as much real, and that was the main issue, because to make something real, it is very hard to make something look real. I don't know if this is gonna look real, but I have to try. So I just start with the texturing. I just try to add some cloth things, try to add some variation in the cloth, and in the face one also I try to add some sort of veins thing in her face, because in the poster also we have some sort of veins in his eyes and those type of things. And after adding everything, the texturing was done. Then we have to do some lightning. So for the light thing, I just put some lights to get some sort of creepy look, and this was the lighting setup. I think it is looking cool enough and good enough, or you can say creepy enough for now. The edge light and this type of things is looking kind of creepier right now. And if you want to learn about this type of things, I already made so many videos on my membership. You can join the membership. You will get the access of all the videos that you need to learn this type of things. So I will just leave this thing like that, and we will move to the rendering process. Now I just render my shot, and this is how that looks. Aww. There is something missing, and that thing is the final touch. So after doing compositing for hours, the shot was finally done, and this is the final result. I hope you will like this. If you want to know how I made better things than AI, then go and watch this video.